Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Panthera Neela G-Spot vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Neela G-Spot vibrator itself. Much like the rest of the Panthera collection, it has the beautiful animal print design just at the base here. Now you can stimulate your G-spot with the Neela vibrator. It's specially designed for optimal stimulation of the G-spot. It has a bent top with a firm round head that easily finds your most sensitive spot every time. It's made of a body-safe silicone material, so it's soft and smooth to the touch and feels very comfortable to wear during use. It also features a flexible shaft to help you find your G-spot. It also comes equipped with 10 vibration settings, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns, and is easy to use. To turn on, push and hold down on the power button at the bottom just here, and a blue light will come on, indicating the toy is now on. Press once more and the vibrations begin. To switch between the different patterns, use that same button. To turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. It is rechargeable using your USB charging cable provided. Push through the soft silicone hole at the back of the vibrator just here, and it will charge for you. Quick, simple and easy. Also included is a Panthera Neela user manual to help you with your experience and any questions you might have. When using the Neela, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Panthera Neela G-Spot vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.